Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is one of the YouTube make me do it kind of video. After seeing other people's review, I decided to try this ZenPop mystery box. This is a stationery mystery box. This box came all the way from Japan. I believe the company is based in Osaka. I did a 3-month subscription box and this is my first box. Let's see if it's worth it. After receive a tracking in email, this box took about 3 weeks before it arrived. So if you are impatient, this may not work so well. After opening up the box, you have some welcome notes and a QR code that you can scan to get to know what's in the box. The first thing we are seeing here is this super adorable Smart Fit Punilabo book band pen case from Lai Lab. I probably butchered the name, but let's don't focus on that. Taking it out, it seems this pen case has this elastic band at the back. You can slide it onto the cover of your journal notebook so that you can attach your pen or pencils. It works from A6 to B5 notebook, but if the cover is a soft cover or if the notebook is too big, it may not work. I think it works best for a hardcover journal so that the elastic band doesn't squish your cover. It's super adorable, but not sure I will really use it though. Next, we have this Emily 2 color marker from Pilot. When I took off the pen cap, it kind of just looked like regular highlighter, but based on the description, it seems that after you write it with this marker, you can use the rubber at the other end of the pen to rub it and it will change color based on the frictional heat. Here's me trying out the feature of this marker. Just rub it with the rubber and the pink color seems to fade off into a lighter kind of a pale orange color. It does have these cool effects, but not sure how you would use this though. Next, we have this immersion ball pen 0.7mm from Zebra Blend. Doesn't it just look like a regular common ballpoint pen? But after looking up the description, apparently this pen came with their brand new blend system which control writing vibration. Supposedly, if you are writing all day long, this pen would help reduce the stress on your wrist or your arm so that you can write for a long time without feeling tired. Please don't ask me if it really works because I wouldn't know, but I do have to say it is very smooth. I'll see if I could find these items on Amazon and link it in the description, and you can try it out yourself to see if this pen actually works. Next item is this friction stamp pad from Pilot. This one came with a paw print. Regardless it's from a dog or a cat, it's very cute. Supposedly it came with this erasable ink, but I think it depends on the paper you stamp it on. I tried it on a piece of Bristol paper, but I don't think I was able to erase it, so I really think it depends on what kind of paper you use. Maybe on smooth paper, something less absorbent would work better. I had wanted this stamp, so I was quite happy to see this included in the box. Next, we have this iconic Japanese dog breed Shiba Inu stickers. It's from Worldcraft. It includes 15 designs and 45 stickers. It would be great to decorate your journals. Can this be any cuter? I do remember seeing many Shiba Inu dogs when I was traveling in Japan. They are very popular there. And then we have this Futamata Full Sense sticky notes from King Jim. Believe me, I was wondering how this works too. Sticky note, how do you put it together? Luckily, it does come with instruction. That's kind of the style of Japanese design. Even the most mundane stuff, they could put their thoughts in it and be really creative. Sometimes these items are too cute to be used. Next, we have a mini letter set from Nihon Hallmark. The design is a bear hugging a bear. Isn't this just too sweet? I don't remember when was last time I wrote someone a letter. Any of you interested in receiving a handwritten letter? I don't have the best handwriting though. Okay, next we have a Pastello A6 notebook. The lavender purple cover will be perfect for spring. The paper inside is very smooth. Not sure it will bleed through though. I noticed that this notebook came with a binder system that if you hold both corners of the journal and pull it apart, you can just open it up to remove or add more papers. This feature is very convenient because if we make mistake on something, we can easily take it out and nobody would know. We all don't want to show our mistake, right? Looks like we have one more set of animal design stickers. This one was from Midori. So it seems with this masking tape material, you can reposition the stickers if need to. And here are all the items. I pay about $35 for the box. Do you think this is worth it? Would you be happy receiving these items? I would love to hear your thoughts.